Meghan Markle and Prince Harry have been involved in several public legal cases, particularly related to media coverage and privacy issues. Recently, reports surfaced about a courtroom moment that drew significant public attention. According to detailed accounts, Meghan appeared frustrated and emotional during the proceedings, while Prince Harry maintained a more reserved presence. Observers noted that during critical moments in the courtroom, Harry did not actively intervene or speak on Meghan's behalf, which reportedly led to a visible reaction from her. The case itself was tied to ongoing disputes regarding media coverage, personal privacy, and the protection of their family from what they describe as persistent media intrusion. Meghan and Harry have been consistent in their approach to seeking legal protection against media outlets they believe have crossed personal boundaries. However, this particular courtroom appearance seemed to highlight some personal strain or differing approaches in how the couple handled the pressure of the situation. According to those present, Meghan had entered the courtroom, appearing composed, but as the session progressed, there were points where she seemed visibly affected by the arguments being made. Prince Harry remained nearby, but some court watchers noted that he chose not to step forward or make any formal statements in her defense at that time. His decision not to actively speak was interpreted by some as a choice to allow Meghan's legal team to manage the situation fully, rather than intervening directly. The couple has often emphasized their united front in public, especially when dealing with legal matters or addressing challenges related to their departure from royal duties. In this situation, Prince Harry's quiet stance might have been a strategic decision, or possibly a reflection of how the couple is handling these matters as individuals within the legal framework. Meghan's reaction seemed to suggest she had expected a more vocal show of support in that moment, but there is no confirmation that this incident indicated any wider disagreement between the two. Their legal efforts over the past few years have focused on reclaiming privacy and setting boundaries with the press. Meghan has successfully pursued previous cases related to the publication of personal letters and other sensitive information. Prince Harry has also engaged in his own legal actions against certain media organizations. Their shared experiences with the media have been a core part of their public narrative, yet their approaches in court may sometimes differ based on legal strategy and personal comfort levels. While some reports have tried to frame this courtroom moment as a significant turning point in their relationship, other sources familiar with the couple suggest it was simply a difficult day in an ongoing legal battle. Courtroom proceedings can be stressful and emotional, especially when personal matters are involved, and reactions in those settings do not necessarily reflect deeper issues between the people involved. Since stepping back from their senior royal roles, Meghan and Harry have emphasized their commitment to each other, their family, and their joint projects, including charitable foundations and media work. Both have spoken publicly about the importance of mental health, resilience, and family unity. Moments of tension in court, while closely examined by the public and the press, may be part of the natural stress that accompanies complex legal challenges. The couple continues to focus on their life outside the royal family, including raising their children, managing their charitable efforts, and pursuing creative partnerships. This courtroom appearance, though widely discussed, is likely just one chapter in their broader story of navigating life under intense public scrutiny. As with many of their past experiences, Meghan and Harry are expected to continue addressing their legal concerns while working toward maintaining their privacy and public roles on their own terms.